I'm Austin Mars. I'm the general high school aviation instructor. So our main goal as a high school program is to introduce these students to how an airplane works, what part of the airplane would you want to work on, could you work on. After the 2 years of the high school program, those students are going to have an idea as they further get into the program on what they might want to do as a mechanic. We teach anything from math to physics, electricity, how to weigh an aircraft, hardware ID on an aircraft, tools that you might use as an aircraft mechanic, the general knowledge of how to work on an airplane. Luckily, Oklahoma has skyrocketed in that industry. You can go work heavy bombers at Tinker Air Force Base. You can find an airport anywhere, work general aviation. A lot of our students go through this program and they go to SkyWest in Oklahoma City. That gives them the experience, and then they can move on to a big major like American Airlines, Delta, Southwest. I went through this program many years ago and I loved it, and I'm back. So if that has anything to say about it, being a student and then coming back to be an instructor, it's cool to see when those students pick up on what you were actually teaching them. When they come back and tell you, hey, I remembered this part, it's pretty nice to know you're actually doing something right.
My name is Gavin Perkins, and I am the high school aviation instructor. Being an alumni from Gordon Cooper, I'm very proud of that. And when I left here, I went to go work at Tinker Air Force Base. And that's where I was a fuel mechanic for a few years, and then I moved on to be a crew chief on the B-52. That taught me that I wanted to instill confidence in the mechanics to know that they can do this work. I felt like I had a leg up whenever I got into the industry. I understood the concepts. Whenever somebody would explain something to me, I feel like I grasped it a little faster than maybe some other mechanics that didn't have an A&P or the experience that I got through here. I still think it was one of the most fun things I've done was go through this program. It feels so good to get your A&P and go out in the industry, which whatever you do, if you go to Tinker Air Force Base, good for you. If you go on to work at majors or general, I've always thought that my A&P instilled confidence in me to be able to go and take on the world.
To learn more about Gordon Cooper Technology Center, visit gctech.edu.